Hi everyone! It's Lisa here and I think I have someone with me. Her name is... We're going to be making some slime with baking soda and contact solution. So let's get started.
You're going to be needing something to mix in. And something to mix.
Dude, you need
mix in and something to mix with.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to pour in the glue.
You're going to pour in the...
Let's go. We're not going to be adding that much.
Then we're going to add the baking soda.
You're going to add baking soda. Dude, you put the contact solution in the way. I'm going to be mixing. Can I mix?
No! Okay, let's take turns. A pinch of baking soda.
Okay, then you're going to start.
It's barely going to look... It's barely going to
we
turn
don't
out
need,
like this.
We don't need any contact solution because there's already some contact solution in here. But you can, after those two ingredients, the Elmer's Google and baking soda, you're going to add the contact solution. Can you see it? Can you see it? Wait. Good, they can see it. Okay, let's see how this one turned out. Okay, I think that's all the slimes that we're going to make. Oh, shoot. I think this one's kind of sticky. Oh, shoot. Get away from here. Oh, shoot.
Let's put more contact.
No, there's some contact solution in here. Dude, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Ya no estoy haciendo.
Está haciendo poquito slime.
Oh my god, there was some slime there. Okay, this slime is going to be kind of sticky, so yeah. Anyways.
Where do you put the baking soda?
Over here. We'll be... Okay, we've made the slime. This is how it turned out. Hopefully it's not sticky how the other ones are. It's good. Oh my god, it's dripping. This one's not that stretchy neither. Okay, are we gonna mix it or not?
Yeah.
Together? I believe. These slimes, oh my god, this is getting kind of sticky.
Lily! No, Lily!
No, let's mix it or then.
Hurry up! Get away from here. I told you it was gonna be sticky.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, no more slime.
Yep.
Chulas,
That was kind of sticky.
¿qué dicen?
Bien. ¿Qué dices?
Nada. Ya te van a acabar las vacaciones. Si no vienes a visitar a Liceo.
Oh my goodness, this slime was up. It's really good.
Y bien acompañado.
She's gonna keep it.
Me?
Bien
Yeah, you.
acompañado.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna keep it. There's different ways how to make the slime. Not just this way, but we just decided to make this one.
But I need. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Can you get the tide?
Dude, why is it tied? We should add the shaving cream.
Yeah, I know.
Esa.
But
I can't reach the... No, why is it tied? Oh my. Okay, anyways.
Oh my god.
Dude, just the shaving cream. Why do you need the tie? We're gonna add in some shaving cream. We're gonna make some slime with Tide.
It does actually work.
What? Glue and Tide?
Yep, it does.
Dude, no, that's too sticky. Ugh. Why did you put the Elmer's
Okay.
away?
I'll show you. It does work.
Dude, no, stop.
Pop it on.
That's not. I've tried it.
You've tried it. I know.
It's too sticky.
For me, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Pop it on.
It's too sticky.
Pop it on. Papi.
Hopefully this is fluffy.
Papi.
Mercedes Castro, la vez que vino
That's where's Andrea? Anna, where's Andrea?
Just do the little house. Papi. Que lo
This
tronen.
is the subtopic.
Dije que
I think this slime is good, but
tronen.
you guys can try if you guys want to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the birdies.